All right, boys and girls, we are going to be looking at common and proper nouns. Underline. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. Athlete, town, or race. Many athletes come from our town for the race. Person, athletes. Place, town, thing is a race. Abstract nouns name things you cannot see, such as ideas. Happiness, challenge, freedom, excitement. The challenge and excitement brought them here. Proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing, or an idea. So just to review, a common or a regular noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. And then you have a proper noun that is a specific person, place, or a thing or idea. Capitalize all the important words in an proper noun. A noun that does not name a specific person, place, or thing or idea is a common noun. Common nouns are not capitalized. All right, so you have a list down here of common nouns, so people, city or town, states, countries, continents, lakes, oceans, mountains, and then, of course, buildings, special events, months, days, and holidays. And then you have an example of a proper noun for each one. So for people, you would have Max, Q, Galileo, and then you have some other examples through here that tell you how you would take one common noun and then you make it proper to be more specific. All right. Next, I want to go down to the practice. So you're going to write common or proper to describe each noun. If the noun is a proper noun, capitalize it and write it correctly. So for the first one, Florida. Florida we know is a specific proper noun. So it is proper, and so you can just put P for proper. And then, of course, you're going to do Florida. And, of course, the F has to be capitalized. And then next, mountain is just common because it does not name a specific mountain. And then you have Asia. That is a specific continent. So it's proper. And then you're going to write Asia with a capital A. All right. Next, you have page 2 that we're going to look at. 4 through 10 continue the same thing. I will do number 4 with you. Statue of Liberty, which you should know already, that is a specific monument. So it's proper and it's statue. And then of is not necessarily an important word, so it is not capitalized, just like in a title. And then Liberty. Sorry, I ran out of space there. All right. And then you're going to continue that 5 through 10, continue that same directions. All right. Next, we're going to look at that second portion, that B. Find 2 nouns in each sentence. Underline the noun if it is a common noun. Circle the noun if it's a proper noun and write it correctly on the line. The first one's done for you. And of course, you can see here, unusual races occur all over the United States. And then, of course, United States is your proper, so it's circled and it's written on the line. And then races is just a noun that needs to be underlined. All right. Next, I'm going to write in green instead of the pencil color. We have the Denver Gorilla Run is a funny event. So you have an event that is going to be your noun, so event. And then you have the Denver Gorilla Run is the name of the run. So that is circled. And then you're going to write Denver Gorilla Run on the line. Making sure that you capitalize Denver, gorilla, and run. Number 3, all contestants dress as gorillas. And so you have contestants. It's not specific. It is just saying that's the people that are running. And then dress as gorillas. And it is not a specific species of gorilla, so it is not capitalized. For the rest, 4 through 12, go ahead looking for your proper nouns and your common nouns. Remember to circle your proper nouns and write them correctly on the line. And if it's just a common noun, make sure that it's underlined. I look forward to your answers tomorrow.